So there is some rebound that you're seeing in a couple of these rate sensitives. But needless to say, the rest of the FMCG basket continues to remain strong despite that profit taking that we've seen in HUL. So Dabur, we've got an SMS from Anu Mehra. She sends it to us from Pune. She holds 360 shares of Dabur purchased at 128. So she's making a bit of profit in Dabur. She wants to know if she should be holding on to these shares or selling them. Mayuresh, your call?
Absolutely, I think if you've seen Dabur's performance over the last 2 to 3 quarters, it has been quite impressive. I think even in this quarter, our own expectations is that the volume growth should be sustained between the 9 to 11% kind of a mark. Basically, I think what Dabur has done is with the rural initiative push that it has taken and the higher product and brand investments that it has made, I think it is foraying deeper into the rural markets. Having said that, I think we should also look at the kind of portfolio that Dabur has got. So with hair oils, shampoos, oral cares, their health supplement expected to grow at a PAT CAGR of almost 20% over the next 2 years. I think that definitely will augur well for the stock going forward. So in our sense, I think at 24 times forward earnings, I think the stock is looking pretty attractive. So I think the investors should hold on to the stock and then look for targets of anywhere between 200 and 210 over the next 12 to 15 months.
Shamira, would you also continue to be positive on Dabur, and what's the 1-year target that you have?
Yes, absolutely. I think I continue to be positive on Dabur, and I think precisely, I think the kind of product mix that they have, the kind of results that the company, that expect the company to deliver, the margins, all in all, I think, it's a great, across the kind of brands and the products that they have, they're a great company, and I think they will continue to grow at a good pace. So definitely, I think within the FMCG space, Dabur is a stock to hold. I think we could see 180 on the stock very soon, given the kind of preference FMCG stocks have. There, I think maybe you could see a bit of consolidation. So I would really hold it with a near-term view of about 180 and then really take it from there. But without doubt, I think, if you have a slightly longer-term horizon, then you should continue to stay put in Dabur.
Okay, that's the view coming through on Dabur. Largely stay invested in FMCG stock. Need to slip into a very short break. When we come back, our focus will shift to banking stocks, which have staged a bit of a recovery, but both of them, ICICI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank, both of them have lost about 9% so far this week.